Are you stuck at connecting to server while opening the Pokemon unit game? You only have connecting server error when there is a problem with your internet or Pokemon server. Now to solve your problem, follow these 4 advanced troubleshooting processes. Solution 1. Boost your internet. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Additional Setting, scroll down, tap the Developer Options, scroll down, enable Wi-Fi scan throttling. Also, active the Always Mobile Data on if you are using mobile data. After solving your internet, please check the server for Pokemon Unit. Remember, if you find that the Pokemon Unit server is down, you need to wait for some time, or if the server is active, follow third solution to solve your problem. Solution 3. Remove the software glitch and update the Pokemon Unit. Tap and hold the Pokemon Unit, tap App Info, tap Restriction Data Usage, tap Enable Wi-Fi and Mobile Data, tap Clear Data, tap Clear All Data. Now quickly check for a new software update for your Pokemon Unit app. After that, your problem will be solved. Still, if you have any questions, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.